Today we're using leftovers from yesterday's roast leg of lamb to make these amazing pitta pockets. Right, here's what we're going to need for this recipe. With these pitta pockets, you can really add whatever you like, just what you've got in the fridge or what flavours you like. First, let's warm up those lamb slices in a medium griddle pan and wrap them in tin foil as you go to keep them warm. Now let's pop the pittas in the toaster and prep the salad. Shred the lettuce and thinly slice the red onion. And we're honestly nearly done. Time to fill. Tapenade, shredded lettuce, feta, sliced onions, cherry tomatoes, and those lovely lamb slices.
Make it once, use it twice. For more Scotch beef and Scotch lamb PGI recipes, visit scotchkitchen.com.